So let's add a person to your family tree. Press the plus icon, choose the right relationship, and then you can start entering the details. In this case, David Christmas Jenkins. I know this person existed because they died at 1 year old, so they're in but they're in my family Bible that I have here. And I'm just going to add the year and the location just for now of their birth. As I said, they were only sadly died as a child and died a year later. So I'll just put those years in to get them on there for now. And I'll just tap the year. Always do that. Start typing and then I remember I need to tap year, then 1886, and again put the location. And from there, Ancestry's good enough because children who died between the censuses don't often appear on Ancestry because it looks for censuses first. So add the person, confirm the mother, and then just save it to your family tree. And you've got another person added through the app and you're building out your family tree. Brilliant, simple and easy. Remember, check out more videos here. See you soon.